DS Diving Service. We're at the vessel Mayhem. I like the new bottom paint. She did clean up nicely. We'll look at that. I'm going to put some full cleaner on this side next time I'm out at the marina. But I did want to point out, I don't know if it's the way the boat's provisioned or what, but the starboard side, your boot stripe is under the water. And that is not going to continue to look good for very long. The other side, is just a little bit above the water, so I don't know if maybe you want to move some of the weight to the front of the boat or what, but in time that starboard side is going to be getting dirty and become very difficult to clean and stay clean. Right now it looks beautiful, bottom paint looks great, everything looks good. There were small particles scattered all over the bottom of the boat, but they all came off relatively easily and cleaned up nicely, and the glue was able to come off with them. So let's take a look, starting with your outdrive. Missed a few. I'm going to swim back the other side and take one more look. Thanks for watching.